Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Unbreakable achievement in Clash of Clans. This challenging feat requires you to successfully defend your village against 5,000 attacks. It's a long-term goal, but with the right strategy, it's entirely achievable. The core idea is to make your base appear vulnerable enough to be attacked frequently, but strong enough to secure a defense. We'll dive into specific base designs and troop compositions to maximize your success rate and earn you this prestigious award. For optimal defenses, your base layout is crucial. You want to create a design that entices attackers but ultimately leads to their defeat. A common tactic is to protect your town hall with your strongest defenses, such as your Inferno towers and expos, while leaving less critical buildings like resource collectors on the periphery. This encourages players to attack, aiming for easy loot, but then they encounter a formidable core defense, leading to a successful defense for you. Your clan castle troops are your secret weapon for the Unbreakable achievement. Always ensure your clan castle is full of powerful defensive troops. Request high hit point units like golems or lava hounds, or high damage troops such as electro dragons or super minions. A well-placed clan castle, deep within your base, will surprise attackers and inflict significant damage, often leading to a successful defense. These reinforcements can easily wipe out a significant portion of an attacking army. To consistently attract attacks and secure defenses, managing your trophy count is essential. Intentionally drop trophies by deploying a single barbarian or archer and immediately surrendering. Aim for lower leagues like bronze or silver, where you'll encounter less experienced attackers. This strategy ensures a steady stream of incoming attacks, giving you more opportunities for successful defenses. Remember, this achievement is a marathon, not a sprint, requiring consistent effort over many weeks or even months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.